How to start a pest control business. Ooh, creepy crawlies. Oh, my bad. We on? Ready to go? Ready to go? All right. What's good, well builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video. And today we're talking about how to start a pest control business. Let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
All right. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoy the videos like this, definitely hit that like button. Plus, don't forget to get my free ebook, The Wealth Builder 6-Figure Formula to Online Success. Just click the link below, put your information in, and it will be sent straight to your inbox ASAP. All right, so first and foremost, all right, before we even get to the whole basics of starting a pest control business, all right, I want you to understand this, all right? You will need to actually work for a pest control company before you venture off and start your own, okay? You need to know how it is to do what you're setting out to do on your own before you do it, okay? All right? You can be trained for this and that and all this training and stuff. You can have all the training and certs in the world. But if you don't have at least a year of experience of actually doing the work, then don't start your own pest control business. Trust me, okay? All right, so how do you start your own pest control business once you have experience? Right? Well, I'm glad you asked. First, you will need, number one, a reliable van or truck that will allow you to safely transport equipment and supplies, okay? Because pest control equipment and those supplies and stuff like that are very, 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 very expensive and very dangerous, okay? They can kill you. So you definitely need a secure way of transporting this stuff when you go to different locations. Next, you will need insurance, business insurance. You gotta have business insurance. If you don't got business insurance, you don't need to be in business, okay? There is nothing else, basically, right? You need this insurance, especially for a pest control business, because things can happen. And if things happen and you don't have insurance, I feel sorry for you. All right. Next, you need a website. Definitely gotta have a website. Vehicle signage. Okay. You need signage for your vehicle and business cards. They need to be congruent with each other. Okay. Your business cards can't look one way and your signage be looking the other way. All right. Some different design, and your signage was other design on your business cards. You want things to be kind of like congruent. So I advise you to go to vistaprint.com. and go check them out, okay? I'll put that link in the description. Also, go check them out. They definitely have great packages. Very, very, very simple, very easy to use, okay? Also, the Wealth Builders does get a small commission if you definitely order your stuff through Vistaprint. But that's, that's just to let you know. All right, so also, you're going to need print and online advertising materials to promote your business, okay? Right, so you're gonna need flyers. You're definitely gonna need flyers. Business cards are cool. They're cool to hand out if you just, you had like a little event and you get to talk, and the people ask me like, "Hey, what do you do?" Hey, I got my own pest control business. If you ever need some pest control, here's my business card. Okay, that's cool for conversation and stuff like that, or like simply handing out to friends and family. But when you're like, in promotion mode, you want to get out there with flyers. You want something big, something people can remember, look at all your services and your logo and all the stuff that you do. You want people to know who you are, and business cards get lost a lot. Trust and believe, okay? They get lost. I get business cards all the time, and I put them in my wallet and I forget about them and things like that. So you want to definitely give people something they can remember, and a lot of times flyers are way more memorable than, business cards. So yeah, definitely. And this definitely goes on with the strong networking skills and able to build the relationships and stuff like that with people in different companies. Okay, with suppliers, you definitely got to get in with some good suppliers that give you a discount because you're a business. You want to definitely keep track of the bottom line. All right. And I recommend when you're starting your pest control business, beyond all all the technical stuff, the websites and all that stuff, get in with real estate agents, property owners, not property owners, property managers. Okay. What else? Property manager companies, people like that. Okay. Because they are the ones that's going to make the order. These are the people that's going to make the call and say, hey, I need somebody to come out here. We have an issue that we have to take care of, blah, 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 blah. You want to be in the forefront of that. You want to be their first contact, okay? And a lot of these people already have contacts. So when you approach them, you want to tell them, hey, blah, 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 I can give you a cheaper price, da, 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 I can get it. When you call me, I'm 24/7, something like that. You got to be something different than what they already have, okay? Because, these people probably already have companies that they work with. So you want to give them an incentive for, calling you. Or like maybe the first time you use me, it's a 10%, 20% discount, something like that, okay? Because, like I said, these people already have their contacts, so you want to find a way to become their favorite contact, right? All right, so a pest control business can be started from your garage, or if you don't have a house, you can rent a storage unit and put all your supplies there for the time being until your pest control company becomes bigger. Okay, because first and foremost, like I said before, this stuff is dangerous. Okay, so you don't want to bring it into your house. Okay, you want to leave it in your garage, but if you don't have a garage, you live in an apartment or something like that, then hey, you got a situation, right? But you don't want to leave it in your van because things happen, people steal. You don't want to leave that stuff in a van. So your best bet is to rent out a storage unit. They're like $100 and some odd dollars a month. And when you first start out, usually it's like $1 or free for the first month for storage units. So, hey, so when you first start out, it'll be free for pretty much for about 30 days. So with that being said, then after that, it's only $100 some odd a month for you to store your stuff there, and it's safe. You won't be harming anyone. It's, and like I said, you won't be keeping it in your van where it might end up getting stolen or something like that. All right. Also, make sure to get yourself a 1-800 or 1-888 number. It just looks more professional. It gives you the look and feel of a real company. And keep in mind, there's a lot of big companies out there that do pest control, okay? So you want customers to look at your company like theirs, okay? Even though you're small, you want to be looked at as big, all right? Make sure you get your business license and LLC within your state, okay, that you're doing the pest control business in, or you're starting your pest control business in, because some people think to get LLCs in other states for cheaper taxes, to be honest, it might work, but this muddies the water and makes things more complicated in the long run. All right, so there you go. That's how you start a pest control business in a nutshell. Do remember, when thinking about starting your own pest control business, you need to actually have experience with actually being a pest exterminator, not a pet. Pest. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video and got some great insight on how to start your own pest control business. If you want to see how I'm building my business online, click the link below to get your free ebook, The Wealth Builder 6-Figure Formula, sent straight to your email box. All links in the description that I just talked about through the video. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest. Uh.